You ever thought of having a second career that you could fall in love with the way I'm in love with my career? What if you could do something really interesting that is really different from what you've done all your life? I don't even know how many people who are like engineers or salesmen or business women and all these kinds of things that were successful in other careers or businesses, and they've retired or they sold their businesses. I'd sure like to do something really different. And they looked around and then chose my course. And now they've got a whole new life as far as career and interest in self-growth. These who are most happiest with this? People who want the satisfaction of self-growth and helping other people succeed. You see, five path hypnotists, the people I train, the people who are trained through the Five Path International Association of Hypnosis Professionals, certified instructors, help people when everything else has failed, help when psychology has failed, counseling has failed, when the minister has failed, when everything has failed, the teachers failed, the self-help books have failed, and then they run into the five path trained hypnotist or hypnotherapist, and you know what? You can make a difference. And what we do is we save lives, we save families, we save careers. And if that sounds interesting to you, then, maybe what I've got is what you need for your next career. Want to be the most interesting person at the party? Yes. I'll tell you what, if you were an insurance salesman all your life, and someone came up to you and they said, "Hi, I'm Daryl. What's your name? I'm John. Okay, John, what do you do for a living?" "I sell insurance." Probably going to be a pretty short conversation. But and they go, "Oh, okay, what's your name?" "I'm Cal Banyan." "What do you do?" "I'm a hypnotist." "Really? Tell me about that." "I help people when everything else has failed." And then they go, "Wow, that's interesting." And now we've got a conversation going on about hypnosis, or can I help them? Or can I help their mother, father, sister, brother, cousin? So if you like the idea of being able to help people and being interesting at the same time, doing something as a second career that is so interesting, you kind of have to keep what you do a secret sometimes, or you'll be talking about it at every party and every place you go. Want to continue as an individual to grow and grow and grow and grow? I can't imagine, or put into words, I should say, how much I've grown as a person, mentally, physically, emotionally, even spiritually, because I went into this profession. I was trained as a psychotherapist. And you know what? That was way too slow for me. I wanted something that really moved along faster. I got results more reliably, more quickly. And so I went into the profession of hypnotism. And as a result, with my particular background, I developed five path hypnosis, the most well-known, most powerful system of hypnosis in the world, parallel with seven path self-hypnosis, the very first antivirus software for the human mind. Keep watching my videos. You'll learn all about it. Are you interested in hypnosis? Leave a comment below on why you think hypnosis is interesting. What got you interested? I love reading stuff like that. And I answer every single comment. I loved finding out, even if it's just a thank you or that, by golly, that's really interesting. Or if you got a suggestion for an upcoming podcast, leave a comment below. And please share, like, and all that stuff helps me to get the word out. So, are you coming up on retirement? You thinking about you'd like to have a really, really cool second career that you could do full-time or part-time in an office or from home? I just may have the right thing for you. All right, calbanyan.com. I'm Cal Banyan. Over and out.